So welcome to DNA 6. First, the previous question of the quiz. In the question, it is there are given two masses M1 and M2, and this M1 is moving down with acceleration g by 6, and M2 is moving up with acceleration g by 6. You have to find simply the ratio of M1 to M2. ये M1 g by 6 acceleration से नीचे आ रहा है और ये M2 सेम एक्सेलरेशन से ऊपर जा रहा है और आपको M1 रेशियो M2 फाइंड करनी है। ये क्वेश्चन था हमारे पास। वेरी सिंपल क्वेश्चन। अगर हम इसका दोनों का दोनों तरफ अगर हम फ्री बॉडी डायग्राम बनाए हम फ्रॉम लिम्ब 1, व्हाट इज टी? यहां से क्या है टी? टी इज व्हाट? M1 एज इट्स मूविंग डाउन इट्स A माइनस G माइनस A एंड व्हाट इज A? G by 6। और अगर हम लिम्ब 2 का बनाएं, इट्स मूविंग अपवर्ड, इट्स इक्वल टू व्हाट? M2। when it move upward it's a G plus A, so it's a G plus G by 6, so it is M1 5G by 6 is equal to M2 7G by 6। so what is M1 ratio M2? वो कितना आ गया? 7:5 आ गया। That's the answer। So simple question था ये वाला। The right answer is given by the person we know. The real champ is Rahul. So congrats to Rahul. Many congrats to Rahul. And Rahul has given the right answer second time in the series of DNA. And he's a very simple guy. When I talk with him on phone, he says sir this and that. So a lot of blessing for Rahul, and we would love, everybody would love to meet Rahul. So Rahul, if Rahul you are listening to me, send your pictures in the DNA. Continue with the connected motions. Like say it is a table here, and there is a body of mass M1, and it is a pulley, and there is a body of mass M2. This block is moving down with acceleration A. So this is moving in this direction with acceleration A. Say that there is no friction. In the absence of friction, the situation is like this. To make it simple, we write here limb number 1 and we write here limb number 2. As it is the same rope, so tension will be same. And how to find the direction of tension? It is always towards pulley. It is always towards fixed end. Pulley is fixed. It is not moving left and right. It is not moving up and down. So pulley position is fixed. So tension is towards pulley. So when we check from 1, we find T is equal to M1A. And when we find from 2, we find T is equal to M2. It's a G minus A. So by comparing 1 and 2, you can find A and G. By comparing 1 and 2, you can find A and G. So it's what? M2 G minus A. So M1A is equal to M2G minus M2A. So it is A M1 plus M2 is equal to M2G. So what is A? It's M2G upon M1 plus M2. So that is how we can find acceleration. And if you put in A, so put in A, so T is equal to M1 M2G upon M1 plus M2. So that is how you can find T. Now if friction is there, say now the friction is also present. then what would happen? Then the direction of friction will be this, right? So as far as the 2 is concerned, nothing will change. But as far as the 1 is concerned, अब 1 के लिए तो t चेंज आ जाएगा. वो कितना हो जाएगा? It's what now? T minus f is equal to m1 into a. T इधर है, f इधर है, तो T minus f is equal to m1 into a. तो T कितना हो जाएगा? f plus m1a. तो T कितना हो जाएगा? What is f? Mu r plus m1a. What is r? R is m1g plus m1a. And then you compare this b and you compare this c and b and to find acceleration, and then you put anywhere to find g, to find t. So when friction is there, friction acts in this direction. So t is equal to t minus f is equal to m1 into a. So like that you can go right. So इसको ऐसे करना है आपने. Now further. Okay, then further connected motion continue. Now there is an inclined plane and the body is placed on the inclined plane. We have to find tension and acceleration. So let this body can move anywhere. It can move in this direction or in that direction also. So it can be any. So we take this case. The body is m2 is moving down with acceleration a. So m1 will move up with acceleration a. So in this case, from 1, you see, from 1, t is equal to what? It's falling down, m2 g minus a. It's falling down, t is equal to m2 g minus a. And here, t is equal to, we have to resolve these masses, etc. It's m1g. This is m1g cos theta. It is m1g sin theta. And where the reaction? The reaction is here. Now, in this case, if the body is moving upward, then t is equal to m1 g sin theta plus m1 into a. It's moving upward, so it's m1 g sin theta plus m1 into a. So then again, by comparing, you can find it. You can, when you compare 1 and 2, then you can find a, then you put it in anywhere to find t also. तो एक बार फिर देखते हैं, क्योंकि ये नीचे गिर रहा है इसलिए ये m2 g माइनस a आ जाएगा, ये ऊपर जा रहा है तो t m1 g sin थीटा प्लस m1 a आएगा, और फिर कंपेयर करके आपके पास a आ जाएगा और फिर आप t भी निकाल सकते हो. पहली बात होगी. देन दूसरी बात ये है हमारे पास, अगर मान लो कि फ्रिक्शन हो तो क्या होगा? इट्स व्हाट इन एब्सेंस ऑफ फ्रिक्शन. अब मान लो फ्रिक्शन है, तो अगर फ्रिक्शन है तो फ्रिक्शन इस साइड पे है, तो कितना होने वाला है? तो फिर t कितना हो जाएगा? t हो जाएगा m1 g sin theta प्लस f प्लस m1 a। इंक्लाइंड प्लेन पे ये चीज आएगा, m1 g sin थीटा प्लस f प्लस m1 a। और f कितना है, f हो जाएगा म्यू r, और r कितना है, m1 g sin थीटा, m1 g cos थीटा। देन आप it's A equation, it's B equation and it is C equation. अगर फ्रिक्शन नहीं होगी तो then you compare A and B in absence of friction, and if friction is present then you will compare A and C. अगर फ्रिक्शन नहीं है तो A और B कंपेयर कर लो, और अगर फ्रिक्शन है तो A और C कंपेयर कर लो। So like this you can do it. The next case, a body of mass capital M is placed on the top of the table, and on one side with the help of pulley M1 mass is there, and on the other side of the pulley M2 mass is there. So for example sake, let this body is falling down with acceleration A. So definitely this will move up with acceleration A, and capital M will move towards right with acceleration A. It's here T. As I told that tension is always toward fixed end. T. So we have to divide it into so many parts. It's limb 1, it's limb 2, and this is limb number 3. From limb 1, T is M1 G minus A. So for limb 1, T is equal to M1 G minus A because it's falling downward. Now this is the same rope, same string, so tension is same. But here it's a different string, so tension will be different. So we need to mark it different. So for convenience sake, we write it as T1 and we write it as T2. Okay. Now in 2, here it's a T1, T2 is M2, it's moving upward, G plus A. T is M2, G plus A, it's moving upward. And for 3, as it's moving in this direction, so definitely T1 is more, क्योंकि इधर जा रहा है तो T1 ज़्यादा ही होगा, तो T1 minus T2 is equal to what? M into A. तो अब हमारे पास we have 3 equations and 3 variable. आपको क्या फाइंड करना है? T1 फाइंड करना है, T2 फाइंड करना है और A फाइंड करना है. तो 3 इक्वेशन है, 3 वेरिएबल है, you can find it easily. But this is what it is in absence of friction. जब कोई friction नहीं है. But when friction is there, then answer change. फिर आंसर बदल जाएगा. कैसे? As the block is moving in this direction, so friction will be here. So your third will be modified. अब third modify हो जाएगा. Third कितना हो जाएगा? T1 minus T2 is equal to MA plus mu R. T1 minus T2 is equal to what? MA plus mu R. What T1 minus T2 is MA plus mu R. What is R? R क्या है? R है mg. Like this. तो ये भी हम कर सकते हैं. तो इट्स मीन्स, मैं क्या कह रहा हूँ कि आपको यहाँ पर फॉर्मूले याद करने की जरूरत नहीं है. आप आपको कॉन्सेप्ट लेने की जरूरत है। मैंने देखा कितने सारे स्टूडेंट है कि उनको होता है कि सर नोट्स चाहिए, गिव मी इन द पीडीएफ फॉर्म। डोंट रन बिहाइंड दोस पीडीएफ नोट्स और हैंड रिटन नोट्स, वो कोई फायदा नहीं है। इफ यू वांट टू इंप्रूव फिजिक्स, कैच कॉन्सेप्ट पकड़ो। अब ये फॉल डाउन हो रहा है इसलिए जी माइनस से आया, ये अप हो रहा है जी प्लस से आया है। अब ये दो स्ट्रिंग है इसलिए T1 और T2 आएगा, ब्लॉक इधर जा रहा है, फ्रिक्शन इधर लग रही है, तो T1 माइनस T2 इज इक्वल टू MA प्लस F आएगा, और F क्या है, म्यू आ रहा है। अब ये पीडीएफ नोट्स क्या करेंगे इसके अंदर? अगर यहां कुछ लिखा हुआ है देन यू आर एबल टू डू इट, बिकॉज इन एग्जामिनेशन जो पेपर है वो पेपर सेटर है, वो कोई बुद्धू नहीं है, उसने आपके कॉन्सेप्ट ही चेक करने हैं। नाउ द quiz time. I know all of you are waiting for the quiz. So today's quiz is little different. It's little different. Rather, it's not little different. It's altogether different. So what is the quiz? Do you know rickshaw? 3 टायर वाला रिक्शा कभी बैठे हैं? Yes. So this is that 3 टायर वाला रिक्शा। I draw only tires. I drew only tires. It's this, right? It's a means साइकिल वाला रिक्शा है, you have to पैडलिंग वाला रिक्शा है। यहाँ पर कुछ पैडल वाला सिस्टम हो गया। It is this top view of the rickshaw. It has 3 tires. Question is little different. You have to tell direction of friction in case of rickshaw. Rickshaw is moving in this direction. So you have to tell the direction of friction in case of rickshaw. What is the direction of friction in all the 3 tires? तीनों टायर्स में फ्रिक्शन की डायरेक्शन क्या होगी, ये आज का क्वेश्चन है। सो बेस्ट विशेस, तो मिलते हैं फिर कल और भी बढ़िया क्वेश्चन के साथ और इस क्वेश्चन के आंसर के साथ।